Amazing. I'm a demonic guardian now. Amazing. There we go. That is my 5th demon. Oh yeah, there's also one more thing I wanted to say. There's one more thing I want to say. If you look up Wessel Pro right now, well, I blocked him, but this is not me. Don't trust this guy, this is not me. I am your local goat this time. So don't get it wrong. Even if, like, you go to Wessel Brawl and his YouTube, my YouTube will be on here. Don't think it's me, it's not me. Like, I'm being serious right now. This is not me. This is me. I have a global rank. That account doesn't. That's how easy you can divide me in. But yeah. Just racking up stars. Yeah. I don't know what else to say. Don't get fooled by this idiot. And yeah. Talk to you guys later. Bye.